Buenos dias, Mr. Morgan.
Do I know you?
I know you. How was Puerto Rico?
Thanks. Hey, this is Claire Walsh. She's the federal prosecutor assigned to Sonny's trial.
Miss McCall was kind enough to let me in, and she didn't disclose any details about your trip. In fact, she didn't have to because the federal government pays close attention to your whereabouts.
What do you want?
This is really good coffee, by the way. You know, I expect nothing less from a premier coffee importer. You know what? I'm really glad that you're here because this is going to save me a lot of time. I'm not going to have to get a judge to issue a warrant for your arrest.
I have nothing to say without my attorney.
Would that be Diane Miller or Alexis Davis? You know, I'm not surprised you're well-versed in legal process. I mean, you've been through it often enough.
You said you were going to get a warrant for Jason's arrest. On what charge?
Failure to appear.
Failure to appear where?
In federal court. I'm calling you to testify at Sonny's trial. You know, I can see Diane Miller and Alexis Davis just climbing all over each other and just saying, Mr. Morgan's not the one on trial here. And that's exactly my point. If you're not the defendant, you don't get to lawyer up. And hostile or not, you're gonna make the perfect witness.
How's that?
Well, you're a man of few words. I can count on yes or no answers. All I have to do is ask the right questions. You were present when Sonny threatened Claudia Corinthos. Were you there when that threat was carried out?
You can leave now.
You know what? You were on trial for murder. Twice! I mean, I pulled the transcripts. It's really, really very interesting. 2 different attorneys declined to put you up on the stand to testify at your own defense. Well, that's a luxury that's not going to happen this time. This time, the jury's going to hear from you, Mr. Morgan. And any attempt you make to protect Sonny is only going to make him look worse.